people at the gym working their abs out like crazy. And I'm just hoping, I don't know, but I'm hoping that they go home and work out on their nutrition just as hard, if not harder, because that's where you need to work out. So I had a subscriber ask me if I can take video of an ab routine that I do. I said, yeah, man, I got you. That's no problem. You know what I mean? Abs are no problem. I don't work out abs too much. Maybe once a week. I just let all my other movements actually work my abs out, work your core out. So, and also let me tell you something, you're not gonna get abs in a month. I'm sorry to tell you all the stuff you're hearing out there that, do these 2 ab exercises and watch the fat shred and all this and that. It doesn't work like that. I'm sorry to tell you, sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but it doesn't work like that. So I went ahead and did some favorite, I guess you could say, ab exercises that I do if I'm gonna do abs, if I'm gonna focus on them. That's very important because you gotta focus on your core, which is all around. It's not just your abs, it's your lower back, it's your obliques, it's everything. So I didn't do any obliques or lower back today, but I showed a few of my exercises, which I'll post. But the important part is everybody wants abs. However, you gotta be, if you have them, and you can't see them, then that's a problem, all right? So what I'm gonna show you today is a full day of eating that you can do to get around 140, 150 grams of protein, somewhere around there. Make sure you track all this. And this is things that I eat so I can see my abs, all right? So add in some steps, stay active, focus on yourself 30 minutes a day, at least 30 minutes a day. Sure, you can do some sit-ups and all this and that, that's fine. But don't believe this stuff, in my opinion, don't believe these things that people are telling you can see your abs in 2 weeks by doing these crunches and stuff like that, It just doesn't work like that, all right? Abs are built over time, over years, and they will be there. So you just gotta reveal them, all right? So don't be discouraged, they'll be there. But focus on some of these meals here. Let me show you exactly what I ate. Just give you some meal ideas, all right? I'm always trying to help you out with meal ideas. I think that's more important than any ab exercise I can show you. But I'll show you some ab exercises as well because you asked me to and I got you covered, all right? I'm here to help. All right, first up. So what I had for breakfast this morning is I was in a hurry. So I had a ratio yogurt, 1 ratio yogurt, and one of these keto thin sandwich thins. These things are great. All I did today, I threw a little bit of honey, just a little bit of honey on each slice. And, not much because you're about to go work out. So even if you're, I'm trying to keep it low carb, this and that, honey's not going to hurt you. Bees, they got you covered, all right? But of course the ratio is, it's just so easy to eat. 25 grams of protein. One of these is coming in at 12 grams of protein, all right? So you're looking at over 30 grams of protein right there before you even go to the gym. So definitely try to eat something like that. If you don't like to work out fasted, make sure you're eating something before you go to the gym, because I found that, man, if I go to the gym fasted, then what fasted, for those that don't know, means like you're not eating, you're on an empty stomach. If I go to the gym fasted, man, halfway through I am starving, and then you start getting your energy's gone and all you can think about is food, right? So definitely eat something that's easy and quick. I eat this in minutes, doesn't take long, tastes great too, okay? So check this out for breakfast. You're gonna have this for I guess pre-workout snack, okay? Next up, after your workout, I always recommend getting some type of protein. I like to have my protein on the way home. I use Ascent protein. You can use Caged protein. Any kind of brand of protein you want to go with. Try to go with the whey isolate. It digests quicker. So try to get you at least 1 scoop. Usually 1 scoop is going to get you around 25 grams of protein right there. Okay, so try to get between, I would say, at least 1 scoop. 25 to, if you do 2 scoops, 50 grams of protein after you work out, all right? Plus, that'll help you reach your protein goals right there, okay? So do it. I usually do mine, like you've seen in my videos. If you watch my other videos, I do mine on the way home so that it starts working. And then usually within an hour, I'm hungry again. So I'm ready to eat a good meal. If you don't have Ascent and you want to go with something easy and simple, then go get you a Core Power. You go to any store. I'm here at Kroger. You go to any store. Core Power has them. Okios has a 30-gram protein shake you can have on the way home. Super easy to drink. Quest coming in with the 45 grams right there. Okay, you can have this on the way home as well. All right, 45 grams of protein, and it tastes, man, I'm telling you, it tastes great. Okay, so have this on the way home, or you can go with the pure protein. Pure proteins are 30 grams of protein. So that's just a quick and easy way to get your protein after the gym on your way home. And then it'll also help you reach your protein goals right there, okay? So make sure you have something on the way home, all right? Because you're probably gonna be hungry. If you got a good workout in, you're probably gonna be hungry, all right? All right, guys, for lunch, I've made videos about these before. These are so easy. They're best in the air fryer, but you can also put them in the microwave. If you don't have an air fryer, if you're at work, take these with you. Measure out 1 serving of these right here. These Just Bare spicy chicken bites. You don't have to get spicy if you don't like the spicy stuff, but man, these spicy ones are so good, okay? You can put these in a microwave, but they taste the best in the air fryer. You can also put them in the oven too, but put them in the air fryer. It's super quick, and man, they taste great, all right? They're not gonna set you back too much on the carbs if carbs you're worried about, but check out the ingredients on this, not bad at all, okay? I know some people are like, oh, that's processed and this and that, yeah. But I'm telling you, check these out, do your own research, and if it fits into your diet, your lifestyle, your processed food lifestyle, then definitely check these out, okay? So you're gonna have 1 serving of this for lunch. You're also gonna have another serving of ratio yogurt, because the sweetness in this yogurt goes great with the spiciness in those in the chicken bites, okay? So the sweet and spicy just goes perfect together, okay? Now you're also gonna have, just to get a little more protein, go with a serving of cottage cheese, all right? Get you some cottage cheese. It's such a quick and easy way to get your protein. It's healthy for you, plus it'll help fill you up too, okay? So all 3 of these together is gonna fill you up, all right? And then if you want to drink like an A&W root beer, you know, like I always recommend those, or, you know, whatever to help you stay full. But this is a great way to get your protein for lunch, all right? Remember, we're trying to get between 140 and 150 grams of protein, somewhere around there with these meals that I'm showing you. So have that, keep these in stock, man. They are so good. I'm telling you, you gotta try these out, all right? Okay, now for dinner, or you can switch these up. 1 you can have for lunch, 1 you can have for dinner. Let's try this out, all right? Same thing. Oh, I'm gonna have these again. Watch, if you have these for lunch, you're gonna want them again for dinner because they taste so good. Take 1 serving of these Just Bare spicy chicken bites. Go get you some low-carb tortillas, all right? I use these all the time, super soft, all right? If you wanna go with this brand, you can, but man, these are so soft, all right? These are super low carb. You don't have to heat them up or anything like that. They taste great, all right? Put you 1 serving, maybe cut them up, stick them in these tortillas because they're small, stick them up, make you 2 to 3 tacos right there, all right? Right there, man, it's so good. I'm telling you, whatever hot sauce you want to use, I recommend using the Taco Bell fire sauce. Man, it is so good. If you know, you know on that one. So definitely check that one out. But I would highly recommend you just make you 2 to 3 tacos, all right? Side, if it's for dinner, instead of going with like rice or something like that, if you're trying to lose weight, then side it with your favorite frozen veggies. I always say, go to the frozen aisle, grab you some frozen veggies. Last night I had broccoli and cauliflower, stuck it in the microwave for 4 minutes, put a little Tony Chachere's on there. It was so good, okay? You get your veggies, it helps fill you up as well. And, you know, if you're trying to, like I said, if you're trying to lose weight, you probably want to hold off on the carbs when you're about to just kind of tone it down and go to sleep. Keep your carbs for around your workouts if you work out in the morning. That's just my opinion. So do that, and that'll be your dinner. I'm telling you, it will satisfy you, okay? If you need to, you can have some more yogurt with it, or, you know, some more cottage cheese, or, you know, whatever you want to do. Maybe throw in a bag of Quest chips. That'll give you some more protein as well. Now, you've been doing good. You went and got your workout in. You've been eating healthy all day, all right? You haven't snacked on junk. You've been staying on track. You've been tracking it so you can see, oh man, I can have a little treat, okay? So you know, you gotta treat yourself, all right? Just treat yourself right. So what I always recommend is getting Halo Top. Halo Top is great. 290 calories for this entire pint. Don't eat the pint, all right? Measure this out, 2/3 cup. It's coming in at 90 calories, 2/3 cup. That's plenty. Now make sure you measure it out. What I like to do is take the 2/3 cup, measure it out, and I just eat it out of that cup, okay? Don't go get a bowl, all right? Because you might put a little extra in that bowl, then you're gonna eat the spoonful, and then you might get another spoonful off the top before you put the top back on, all right? Next thing you know, you don't win over. So put it in the cup. I just eat it straight out the cup, because you don't have to clean a bowl either, man. That's a win-win right there, you know what I mean? So check this out. You earned it. As long as you've earned it, and only you know if you've earned it, all right? You got to hold yourself accountable. You got to start making some changes. And this is a great treat for you, okay? So definitely check out Halo Top, man. Halo Top is so good. They also have, this is the light one, the vanilla bean. They also have a birthday cake one that is It is so, so good, okay? So check out these options, guys. Make sure you get your workout in. But it's one thing to work out your abs. I see it all the time. People at the gym working their abs out like crazy. And I'm just hoping, I don't know, but I'm hoping that they go home and work out on their nutrition just as hard, if not harder, because that's where you need to work out. You need to work out on your nutrition, your habits, your discipline, your consistency, and that's where you'll see your abs. They will be there. They will come in. You will see them. Progress takes time, okay? It takes small steps, but the results are big. You're gonna see that, all right? So stay focused. You can do this. Keep following me for more meal ideas, and I'll keep being here to help. So definitely check this out. I'll talk to you next time, all right? Have a great day.